If you feel your knees crack every time you climb stairs, that uncomfortable sound coming from deep inside that makes you think something isn't right, pay close attention, because today I'm going to explain what's really happening and, most importantly, what you can start doing at home to improve it. Sometimes that cracking comes with pain, other times it doesn't, but it's always there. Many people simply blame it on age, and yes, aging plays a role, but that doesn't mean you have to accept living like this. That sound is a signal. Your body is telling you that something in your joints isn't working the way it should. There's something essential missing for your knees to move smoothly, without friction, without that annoying noise. Today I want to show you exactly what might be missing and how you can help your body restore it with something simple you can prepare right in your own kitchen. If you stay consistent, within 2 to 3 weeks you may start noticing changes. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also explain when that cracking stops being harmless and becomes a sign that you need medical attention. I'm speaking from experience. I'm Dr. Gabriel Mena, and I remember a patient in his early 60s who came in worried because his knees made noise every time he stood up or climbed stairs. He thought there was nothing he could do anymore. With small, consistent changes, he began to feel improvement within a few weeks. That confirms something I always tell my patients. The body responds when you give it what it needs. Now let's get practical. What you're going to use is unflavored gelatin, the kind that comes in packets, with no sugar or artificial coloring. Every morning, take 1 tablespoon of this powdered gelatin, dissolve it in a glass of warm water, mix well until there are no lumps, and drink it on an empty stomach before breakfast. That's it. 1 tablespoon, 1 glass of warm water every morning. But here's something very important. Many people try this and say it doesn't work, and in most cases, it's because of simple mistakes that can easily be avoided. The first mistake is using flavored or pre-made gelatin. Those products contain sugar, dyes, and additives that don't help, and in some cases, may even increase inflammation. You need to use only plain, unflavored gelatin. The second mistake is expecting immediate results. The body doesn't work overnight. Cartilage needs time to be nourished and strengthened. Don't expect changes in just a few days. But if you stay consistent for 2 to 3 weeks, that's when you begin to notice a real difference. The key is patience and consistency. The third mistake is ignoring pain. If your knees crack but there's no pain, in many cases it may not be serious. But if that sound comes with swelling, stiffness, or discomfort, then it's something you shouldn't overlook. There could be significant wear, inflammation, or even an injury. In that case, don't rely only on this remedy, seek a medical evaluation. The fourth mistake is thinking that more is better. Some people believe that taking 2 or 3 tablespoons a day will speed things up, but that's not how the body works. Your body has a limit to what it can use effectively. 1 tablespoon daily is enough. Taking more won't accelerate the process. If what I'm sharing is helping you better understand what's going on and giving you a practical solution to start today, consider supporting this content by liking the video. That helps more people who are going through the same thing find this information. And if you know someone who complains about knee cracking when climbing stairs, share this video with them. It could make a real difference in their life. Inside your knees, there's a very important structure called cartilage. You can think of it as a cushion between your bones. Its job is to allow smooth movement, without friction or noise. When the cartilage is healthy, everything moves quietly. But over time, that tissue begins to wear down, becoming thinner and rougher, and that's when the problem starts. That slight friction between the bones, which didn't exist before, is what produces the sound you hear. Now, it's important to understand why this happens. It's not just one cause. Aging plays a role, of course. Excess weight also contributes, because it increases pressure on the knees. Old injuries that never fully healed can show up later. Even lack of movement is a major factor, because when you don't move enough, the cartilage doesn't receive the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. But there's one key factor many people overlook: lack of collagen. Cartilage is largely made up of this protein. It's essentially the building material that keeps it strong. When your body doesn't have enough collagen, cartilage breaks down faster than it can repair itself. And here's something you need to keep in mind. As we age, the body produces less collagen. By age 40, production is already lower than in your 20s, and after 50, the decline becomes even more noticeable. That's why many people begin to notice these sounds during this stage of life. This is why gelatin can be such a helpful tool. Gelatin is essentially collagen in a form your body can use. When you consume it, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used to nourish and support cartilage repair. This doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, the tissue can improve, becoming stronger and less rough. And when that happens, movement becomes smoother and the cracking starts to decrease. Let me share something I often see in my practice. A 58-year-old patient told me he had started avoiding stairs because of the noise and discomfort. It wasn't severe pain, but it was constant. He began applying these habits consistently, and after a few weeks, he noticed his knees felt more stable and the noise was much less noticeable. Those are the kinds of changes we're looking for, gradual but real. Now let's talk about what you can start noticing if you stay consistent. The first benefit is reduced cracking. That sound that used to appear with every movement becomes less frequent and less intense. Many people notice a clear improvement after a few weeks. The second benefit is less stiffness in the morning. If you wake up feeling like your knees are tight and need a few steps to loosen up, this can improve. When joints are better nourished, they move more easily from the start of the day. The third benefit is less mild discomfort when climbing stairs. If it's not severe pain but more of an annoyance, that sensation can decrease because there's less friction inside the joint. The fourth benefit is better overall mobility. When your knees function better, your whole body feels it. Walking becomes more comfortable, climbing stairs is less of a challenge, and daily movement becomes easier. Now I want you to clearly understand how to apply this over the next few weeks. During the first week, every morning on an empty stomach, take 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin dissolved in warm water. Drink it completely and wait about 20 minutes before eating breakfast. At this stage, your body begins receiving and storing what it needs, even if you don't notice major changes yet. In the second week, continue exactly the same. This is when small signs of improvement may begin to appear. Maybe the cracking is a bit less intense or less frequent. It's not dramatic yet, but it shows you're on the right track. In the third week, keep the same routine. By this point, many people notice a more obvious difference. Movement feels smoother and the sound decreases noticeably. Pay attention to your body. Notice if you move more easily, if the cracking has reduced, if you feel more comfortable. If after these 3 weeks you see improvement, you can continue this habit without any problem. 1 tablespoon daily is enough and safe to maintain ongoing support for your joints. And don't forget something essential: you need to move. Cartilage doesn't get nourished if you stay inactive. Movement, even gentle movement, is necessary for your joints to receive what they need and stay healthier. It's also crucial to pay attention to your weight. Every extra pound adds more stress to your knees, accelerating wear over time. You don't need extreme changes. Losing just 4 to 7 pounds can already make a noticeable difference. Your knees feel it, appreciate it, and respond with less discomfort and less cracking. I remember a 62-year-old patient who said his knees sounded like old wood. He started walking slowly and lost a few pounds. Within weeks, not only did he move better, but that constant noise had significantly decreased. There are also habits you should avoid during this process. Try not to kneel or stay in a squatting position for long periods. These positions place direct pressure on the cartilage and can worsen internal friction. Give your knees a break while they recover. If gelatin isn't for you, there's a great alternative: bone broth. When prepared properly, by simmering beef or chicken bones for many hours, even up to a full day, you get a drink rich in natural collagen. 1 cup a day can provide similar benefits and support the recovery process you're aiming for. Now pay close attention to this, because not all knee cracking is harmless. There are warning signs that mean you should seek medical evaluation. If the sound comes with severe pain, swelling, warmth in the joint, a feeling of locking, inability to fully extend the knee, or instability, don't ignore it. The same applies if you've had a recent fall, twist, or injury. In these cases, it could be something more serious, like advanced wear, a meniscus injury, or ligament damage. And I want to be very clear with you: gelatin can help with mild cartilage wear, but it does not replace medical treatment. If after 3 weeks of consistency you see no improvement, it's time for a deeper evaluation. You may need imaging, physical therapy, or a different approach. Listening to your body early can prevent bigger problems later. Before we finish, I want to give you one last tip that can make a big difference. Often, the pain you feel doesn't come only from the joint itself, but from ongoing inflammation in the body. This silent inflammation can lead to joint pain, muscle stiffness, fatigue, and heavy digestion. There are well-known natural ingredients that can help, such as ginger, turmeric, garlic, and lemon. But here's the key: taking them all together every day is not the solution. In fact, doing it incorrectly can irritate your digestive system. That's why I always recommend following proper protocols, using the right combinations, and preparing them in ways suited to different times of the day. I've seen patients reduce pain and improve mobility within weeks, but only because they followed the method correctly, not by guessing. If you've made it this far, let me say this in a close and sincere way. If this content is helping you better understand what's happening with your knees, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who might need it. Sometimes a family member or a friend is going through the same thing, and you can be the one who helps them find this information. Before you go, take a moment to be grateful. Grateful for your body, for the opportunity to learn, for the chance to improve your health every day. Even with discomfort, your body continues working for you, and that alone is worth appreciating and taking better care of. Remember this and start tomorrow. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin in warm water every morning, daily movement, managing your weight, and avoiding positions that strain your knees. With consistency, you'll begin to notice less cracking, smoother movement, and more confidence when walking or climbing stairs. Here on Dr. Gabriel Mena's channel, we're truly happy to support you in improving your health and daily habits in a practical, simple way. Tomorrow, there will be a new video created especially for you, so you can keep moving forward step by step toward a better quality of life. This is a place where you'll always find clear, helpful guidance, because your well-being truly matters.